What is up, Theta homies? It is your boy Justinpacete back again with another Theta token video, another Theta token update. Just a friendly reminder, if you're new to the channel trying to find as much Theta news, updates, NFTs, or any kind of Theta partnerships, please hit that like and subscribe button. Check out all the links down below in the description for all the links I post in this video, as well as staking your Theta tokens to my Guardian node or staking your T-Fuel tokens if there's room to my Elite Edge node. Either way, help out my channel, help out the Theta network, but overall help yourselves out. Earn as much T-Fuel passively as possible and utilize it however you want on Theta Drop, Open Theta, any of the subchains on Theta Network, or just withdrawing it back to your wallet. We're going to talk about the sponsor for today's video, but we're going to mention that a little later. Starting here on X, we're going to see that here Jihi mentioned the UX, the interface upgrade to the Theta Network EdgeCloud GPU node feature. Learn more on this Theta documents. Going on to Mitch and then the actual little bit of a breakdown of this post. Mitch says, awesome EdgeCloud update, Theta team and community, accelerating their pace of AI and GPU customer acquisition. What does this really mean? How does this really affect Theta Network, their businesses? How does this update affect the Theta token holders? And I got you guys, I'll explain it to the best of my ability. So just a friendly reminder that none of these videos are financial advice. Also put some thoughts and comments as to what you guys think about the video, anything you want me to add for future videos, or any of the changes that you want to see in the near future. Starting with Theta Network's post on January 6th of 2025, Theta EdgeCloud's GPU nodes received a major upgrade today. EdgeCloud users can now deploy GPU nodes with SSH access to run AI model training or any other computational task here. Increasing this image, it says create a new GPU node with SSH access. Here are the steps. It says select the machine type. So you can see here as to how many cores, the amount of data and storage is needed for your company to use. So whatever you need, and here is the dollar cost breakdown. These are all, I believe, in my opinion, I think these are all USD, so United States dollars. So you can see the breakdown in cost, so whatever's more efficient for you. But the reason as to why this is important, I did make a video and broke this down, these GPU nodes and the SSH access, but to my knowledge, the secure access is what SSH is. So as long as you have that password and information needed to get that secure login for the information or tools that you need to use, you'll be all set. And then you can see how it's going to be working based on how fast or whatever the solution that needs to be created. Documentation can be found here for as to how to set it up. The user flow is similar to creating a virtual machine on Amazon Web Services or Google Cloud platforms. These features include regions. GPU nodes are available across the globe. Users can launch GPUs in a region close by to minimize network latency to reduce the amount of lag when you're working on something. Support for GPU node reconfiguration. Users can change certain metadata of GPU node in the stop state, such as machine type, without losing the data stored in the persistent storage. I did mention what persistent storage is. Check out the previous videos that I made in the last week or so. But persistent storage essentially means that this data will not be lost when the whole node is shut down. It stays within the system and then it can be utilized. So for those who are using a computer, for example, and that shuts down, but it still needs information for work to be done on another platform, it can still be using that information that's shut down because it's on the persistent storage. Persistent storage here is another part of it. Users can reconfigure and attach multiple persistent volumes to a GPU node. Foster team collabs. We support shareable volumes. For example, GPU nodes can access the same volume, sharing model checkpoints, training data. Why this is important? Because, for example, if different organizations and collaborations that need to be made, especially on the Theta network, rather than starting over, you can attach different types of large language models, information that needs to be shared, so that both parties, organizations, can use that information rather than starting from scratch, and who knows how long that could potentially take. By being able to share this information, attaching one thing to a new platform without losing anything, it's basically just continue on and building onto that platform, which can help both parties, as well as time, and time equals money. Support for GPU nodes stop and restart. User can stop and restart a GPU node. The system remembers the metadata of the GPU node, for example, the container URL, port, machine type, when the user stops it. So you can just stop if you don't need it anymore, things like that. If both parties disagree on one thing, they can just stop the partnership and then go run their own way and then build on however that platform needs to be built. That is just to my own knowledge, but it's nice seeing this information because it shows that you can still build and adjust things without shutting down a whole project entirely unless you need it to be shut down for whatever reason. It kind of just shows that the building blocks can still be made and adjust accordingly based on whatever information that needs to be added on, replaced, substituted, or just anyone else that needs to jump onto this type of business and organization. I feel like in the near future that could be very helpful. It provides, the reason why this is helpful is because it provides quick calculations information, and that when you get that information a lot quicker, you can solve a lot of things or any issues a lot faster. So I feel like that's the reason as to why this is very useful. And not only that, but based on these prices, Theta Network is the whole point is to have reduced cost savings, so that when you see the breakdown, I'll even increase the image here again once more. You can see it based here. For my work and line of work, I am in a hospital, so this doesn't essentially apply to me in the moment of my career, but people do say that this is one of the best cost effectiveness. I'm assuming so because Theta Network seems like their utilization score is increasing, and I'll show you guys that as well in the next couple of slides here. But so far guys, comment down below what you guys think about what is updated with Theta Network and their partners. I feel like it will help out the whole community altogether, as well leading into our sponsor for today's video, Caleb and Brown. So here's a little word from there, an introduction from them. Things that's hard to mimic is good quality service and customer service, and being able to reach out to someone in regards to your cryptocurrency. With Caleb and Brown, they'll be able to provide you that access, that opportunities, and information that a lot of people may need in the near future. So seeing here, we're going to look at a little bit more of this affiliate link that you can find down below in the description. As you can tell here, with Caleb and Brown, delivers a personalized and premium service to crypto trading. Each customer gets their own dedicated broker to contact at any time, getting the latest insights on crypto trends, guidance, and when you need it, or the initial introduction for my channel. Scrolling down a little bit more, things you can do: 24/7 customer support globally, industry-leading cold storage solutions, and unlimited free access to your personal broker offers peace of mind, whether you're trading as individual, company, trust, or self-managed retirement. Here are no joining fees, broker support, safe and secure, favorable pricing on assets, rapid trades, deep liquidity. Things going on to a little bit more, you can chat, message, call, as well as provide some feedback that is always welcome. I believe with Caleb and Brown has the potential to help those who achieve certain financial or cryptocurrency goals. Check out Caleb Brown and definitely check it down below using the affiliate link. Thanks for the guys listening for this introduction, and back to the video. Like I mentioned earlier, I was talking about the utilization score. I mentioned it before how it's calculated. It is also from the AMA of 2024, how GP calculates the utilization score. Seen here, Mitch, this was posted on January 6th of 2025, by the way, so in case this score goes up or down, people can have a frame of reference as to maybe something has changed. But it looks like it's 71 before. I think it was around 60 something, so it looks like it's gone up, meaning that there's more GPU usage, more VRAM, and the uptime, it looks like it's still 100%. But it's nice seeing that the utilization metrics is going up, because it shows that companies, organizations, or maybe just people in general are using Theta Network's technology. Going on to one other thing as well, these are just more for fun bits that I like to include at the end of the video. It says, crazy for cryptos posted, pro crypto congress equals good for XRP, Theta, these others. This will be a year Theta gets listed on big US exchanges such as Kraken or Coinbase. Robinhood is a possibility. These names are based on the AMA that Mitch Liu posted in 2024 that he announced. There was no specific one, but those were the ones that were listed out of his mouth when he was saying it. So comment down below what you guys think about it, what you think, which Coinbase, Kraken, or Robinhood, or any other type of exchange you think Theta Network's going to be released on. I'm hoping I feel like it's Robinhood. I feel like Coinbase has been a lot of issues in the last couple of weeks, but that's just my guess. Last but not least, a fun image here is going to say, a bad start isn't a bad finish. It looks like Theta Network. We've known, if you've been invested for Theta in more than, I want to say, 6 years, you understand the struggle or the patience that needs to be held in order for this to hopefully be successful. None of these videos are financial advice, guys, another reminder, but based in my own opinion and what I'm seeing in the world and technology, I'm assuming Theta Network is just building the whole infrastructure for businesses and organization to keep up with technology and their whole business enterprise. So I feel like Theta Network is just one of those forefront runners to help support the new of Web3, businesses, healthcare. That's just what I see, but that's just my own guess, my own opinion. I could be wrong, but overall that's all I really have for today's video, guys. Thank you so much if you're an OG viewer and subscriber and coming back to the channel. Would not be here without you. If you're a new viewer trying to find as much Theta news, updates, NFTs, or any kind of Theta partnerships, please hit that like and subscribe button. Check out all the links down below in the description for all the links I post in this video, as well as staking your Theta tokens to my Guardian node or staking your TFL tokens if there's room to my Elite Edge node. Either way, help out my channel, help out the Theta Network, but overall help yourselves out. Earn as much TFL passively as possible and utilize it however you want on Theta Drop, Open Theta, any of the subchains on Theta Network, or just withdrawing it back to your wallet. Thank you again for Caleb and Brown for sponsoring this video. Really am looking forward to the future of Theta. Until the next Theta video, until the next Theta update, it is your boy Justinpacete, so try to keep up. Alright, deuces.